Good morning, dear children. This is Ms. Margaret. Today I am back again with a new video. In the last video we have done the half of the chapter, A Big Parcel. In that chapter we have learnt about a girl, Seema, how she celebrated her birthday, and many things we have learnt. Half of the part we'll see in this video, but before that let us recall the chapter. So Seema was going to celebrate her birthday in her living room. She was looking like a princess. Her father was blowing up balloons. Her mother was hanging some ribbons on the wall. Her auntie was reading a newspaper. Her friend Ali and Neelam also were there. All of a sudden she heard the bell and she ran towards the door. As she opened the door, she saw a postman standing with 3 letters and a big parcel. She gave the 3 letters to her father and she was surprised. She opens the parcel. It contains a beautiful blanket. It is made of colorful patches of cloth. It has pretty patterns on it. It is soft and cozy. It has her name stitched on it. She finds a letter inside the blanket. She opens it. It is from her grandmother. It says, "Happy birthday. I made this for you. Do you like it?" "Yes," whispers Seema. She loves this birthday present. Children, in the last video we had seen Seema received a parcel and she was wondering who sent the parcel. So in this video we'll see that how Seema came to know that who sent the parcel and if she liked the parcel or not. So what happened? The first paragraph is saying she opens the parcel. It contains a beautiful blanket. It is made of colorful patches of cloth. It has pretty patterns on it. So as she opens the parcel, she found a beautiful blanket and the blanket was made of colorful patches. And that blanket also has pretty patterns on it. It is soft and cozy. How the blanket was? It was soft and cozy. Cozy means which gives you comfortable feeling. It has her name stitched on it. So her whoever sent the parcel, she or he stitched Seema's name on the blanket to make her feel more happy. Okay, so what happened? And also she finds a letter inside the blanket. She opens it. It is from her grandmother. So who sent the big parcel? Her grandmother sent the big parcel. And that letter was saying happy birthday. What it says? Happy birthday. And it was also saying I made this for you. Her grandmother is saying I made this for you. Do you like it? So now what Seema responds? She is saying yes. How she said? In a very soft way. The word whispers. She is saying in a whisper way that yes, I like it. She loved this birthday present. So children, what do we learn from this story? Okay, leave it that. What was your favorite word from the story? Mine was surprise. I love surprises. Children, this life is full of surprises. Tomorrow is also surprise for us. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday, but we don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Imagine Tuesday is nicely wrapped in the colorful paper and it is coming close to you. You need to feel happy. You need to be excited. What's in that? Okay? So children, any surprises, take it in a positive way, and if it is small or big, you need to be happy. You have to be grateful to the person who is giving you this parcel and from whom you are receiving this parcel. Okay children? Children, let's see some difficult words and its meaning. The first one is living room. Living room is a place where we sit, talk and relax. For example, I sit and talk in the living room. My mummy keeps the living room neat and clean. Second word is surprised. Surprised means unexpected things happened or unexpected fact. For example, my friends surprised me on my birthday. I was surprised to see her statement. The third word is wonders. Wonders means surprise or something you are desire to know something. For example, Seema wonders what's in the parcel, or I wonder what is happening. Next word is patches. Patches means small pieces of cloth. Some sentences like my sister stitched a patch on my torn shirt, or this blanket is made up of small patches. The next word is patterns. Patterns means shapes or colors. The sentence will be, my frog has a beautiful flower patterns, or my teacher asked me to draw some patterns. The next word is cozy. The meaning of cozy is giving a feeling of comfort. Sentence will be, my bed is soft and cozy. We feel cozy sitting by the fire. Now children, see the last word. The last word is whispers. Whispers means speaks softly. The sentence will be, my friend whispers something about my teacher. The second sentence is, the letter asks Seema, do you like the parcel? Yes, whispers Seema. So children, like this we have finished this chapter. I hope you all understood and you loved the video. I have given the assignments. Children, please note down those things in your notebooks. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you.